So good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I will present to you my activity, water detection using Wi-Fi module. And here's the code. So first we need to define the libraries uh, like Wi-Fi, the server, and like the liquid crystal, water pin, sensor dry, and sensor wet. And then next we have here the our Wi-Fi credentials so that it will connect to our internet. Next is we have here the LCD and the web server setup. So LCD L L2 I2C is the address, and then address 0x27, and then 16 columns and 2 rows. And then this is the web server on port 80. And then this this variable is raw value from the sensor. And then this variable, water percent, it will converted to water level in percentage to 0 up to 100%. And then here we have here a variable warning data type bool. If the water level exceeds to 80%, then it will become true. And then here we have custom LCD characters to create a bar graph on the LCD. And then next we have here a function read water level to read the sensor 10 times and average it. and and this one math function, it will convert the raw value to 0 up to 100%. And then constraint ensures that percentage stays to 0 up to 100%, and then sets a warning if the water level is greater than or equal to 80%. And then next we have here another function, draw bar graph. So this one, it will convert the percentage into number of LCD blocks by up to 16 max. And then it will also draw the full blocks for the field water, empty blocks for remaining. And then here we have another function, handle root. So this is a simple HTML page to show the water level. And then here we have here another function setup to initialize serial LCD and custom characters. Also, it is connected to the Wi-Fi and shows the IP on the LCD. And then it will start the web server. And lastly, another function, loop. So this will read the water sensor in every loop. It will also update the LCD with percentage and bar graph. It will also run every 1 second, and it will also handle web server requests. So in the next clip, I will show you the output.